Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find copper in Subnautica 2. This is an essential element for further progression in the game. So to find it, you want to go to the basic biome or any biome, and first of all check over the overhangs like this one or here if there aren't any copper nodes. I've collected them already here, so they are not there, but they should be under the overhangs. The second location you can find them, which is a more common location, is inside of a cave on the ceiling, just like this one here. You won't find it on the ground, so make sure you look up and find the copper. Also, there are these larger nodes, which when you break them, you'll get 3 times copper. So, this is pretty much all, how to get copper in Subnautica 2. Hope you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.